Oh yeah, you're right.
I've been working quite a bit, so yeah, there's a bunch of new films. Actually, I just started something with John.
How you doing? My name is Freedom. I'm here in support of the people in Japan. We're trying to raise money for the people in Japan to help out over there. We're here at Blood Fest. We got some autograph signing going on. Stars from horror films. All your horror girls doing all the screams in all the movies. They're here. So we're going to take control. We're raising all this money to send over to Japan to help out and feed everybody, find everybody homes, and just show support. That's what we're here for, just showing support for the people of Japan, raising money. Wish you could have came out next time. Don't miss it.
Actually, I guess, yeah, I think you can get a certain amount of free parking.
Hey, what's up? I'm Adam Weissman, and you're here at the Save Japan event. And you know what? You guys really should be here if you're not, because the big thing is we gotta help out. We gotta give back, because obviously if you're sitting at home and you got a roof over your head, right now some people don't. So we want to help out, guys. The littlest thing. It doesn't have to be a lot of money. It doesn't have to be something you can't, part with. Just a couple of dollars, something to help out. Anything helps. The littlest bit. When you build up a mountain with little pieces, that mountain holds forever, guys. Thank you so much. Keep giving.
Hey guys, it's Eric Preston here at Dark Delicacies for the Save Japan charity event. Why you're not here, well, I don't know, but hopefully you're donating or doing something from your side of the computer or TV or whatever you're watching this on. Right now, as you know, as of this morning, there's another earthquake that hit Japan, another 7.4 earthquake and another tsunami warning. So they're definitely getting hit hard. They definitely need help. So every little dollar, every dime, every quarter, every nickel, every $100 bill you've got that you can throw away, give it to them. They can use it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Camden Toy.
I'm Brett Wagner.
Or we'll reverse that. Well, you know, both of Camden and myself have done a lot of science fiction, a lot of horror movies the last couple of years.
Oh, yeah.
Camden, very famous, a man for getting under the makeup.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to.
You too.
Well, but I'm following in his footsteps. But you know, we're both out here. We're helping out. You know, I mean, we get any kind of country, doesn't matter where it is. But Japan, the devastation. You know, at least we can do is come out, have a good time, get to hang out with a lot of people we respect and work with, and try to raise a couple bucks.
Yeah, because I mean, we sign often, you know, at lots of other events, and you know, to be able to sign for for a worthy cause, you know, it's a great thing. You know, it really is, and you know, and it's a lot of it has to do with just I think showing support more than anything.
Yeah.
You know.
So whether or not a lot of money is raised, awareness will be raised.
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly.
Hi, I'm Deborah Christopherson. I played Lila, the bearded lady on Carnival, and I'm here tonight to help a fundraiser for the people of Japan. I thought that it was a really important cause, and so Dan Knopf told me about it, and I wanted to be here.
My name is Daniel Knopf, and I created Carnival, and I created the bearded lady. Frankly, it was really not a very good character until Deborah came and brought her to life for me. And I'm here to help support the victims of the earthquake in Japan, and my heart goes out to them, and God bless all of you, and I hope everything's good for you and your families.
Hello, my name's Bonnie Ahrens. I recently played Crackhead Bonnie in The Fighter, Fat Tina in I Know Who Killed Me, the bum in Mulholland Drive for David Lynch, and I'm here to support the efforts for Japan. It just goes to show you how fragile we are. And I'm lucky enough to be sitting next to these two geniuses from Carnival.
I'm here tonight because I love Dark Delicacies and I support any cause they have. Tonight we have the Japan Tsunami Relief Red Cross, and that's why I'm here tonight. Guys, I wish you would come out here and join us.
Ninja Turtles are now fighting radiation. They can fight the Shredder. They can fight bad guys. They can fight evil around the world. Tonight, we're fighting radiation and the Great Tsunami, trying to help out a people and culture that actually helped give birth to Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So hopefully everybody will chip in on that. Right, John?
Go Ninja Go!
Thank you. I came here tonight because I'm from Japan, and just amazing how these people in the world are helping out and donation and everything. So I just wanted to come here for that, and I love movies, so yeah, that's it. I had a really great time.
I saw that tsunami hit Japan, and it shook me to my core. And so they mentioned that this might happen, and I said, come in, without hesitating. I mean, just to let people in Japan know that their dignity was very moving to all of us. And I'm glad to be part of it.
Oh, guys, hold on!
Hello, my name is Sean Hood. I just recently wrote Conan the Barbarian.
I saw that. I'm trying to stay away from it.
And we're here for Japanese, the Japanese disaster relief, and we're signing, signing pictures and autographs and having a grand old time.
I haven't seen her. I saw her.
Hey guys, I'm Tara Cardinal and we're here at Dark Delicacies again. This is my favorite hangout for charity events, and we've done an amazing job with the amazing celebrities that came out to support. We're all here to help Japan. As you know, there was another earthquake today. There are several victims of the tsunami. It's been devastating over there, and my friends, celebrities, and the fans have all gotten together to do the signing and red carpet event here at Dark Delicacies, and we've raised in the thousands, and that money is all going to Japan Red Cross tonight. So thank you to everybody who came out. Those of you who couldn't be here but still supported online, thank you so much, and we'll see you again soon.
Up here, guys, right here for me.